Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to visit Karnala Bird Sanctuary. In the entrance, monkey will welcome you. A large number of monkeys were sitting at the both of side of the road. Usually they are not try to snatch your belong unless you are doing anything to them. After cross the curtain of monkeys, we saw a cage full of eagles in the left side of the road. There are 10 to 12 eagles in the cage. They are very bold by nature and very intelligent from brain. After that we head towards Peacock. I never watch a peacock from such a close distance. The peacock is very friendly by its nature. His brightest feather and the display of the color will amaze you, for sure. Whatever foods are given by the visitors, he accepting all of it by his friendly nature. There were a couple of children who were very excited to see the peacock from such close distance. Now let us know some of the facts about this sanctuary. It was established in 1968 and initially covered an area of 4.45 square km. In 2003, it was expanded to cover the additional green zone and now we have approximately 12 square km dedicated to birds. It is a favorite destination for bird watchers and trekkers. Karnala is within 50 km from Mumbai and is considered a very good family picnic spot. Karnala offers a variety to bird watchers in different seasons. At the onset of rains, one can see the paradise flycatcher with its fairy-like white streamers, the shimmer or the magpie robin and the marlabar whistling thrush, which are some of the most melodious avian songsters. The winter is the season of migrants. The visitors here include a variety of birds such as the blackbird, the blue-headed rock thrush, the blue throat, the red-breasted flycatcher, the ashy minivet, the black-headed cuckoo shrike and a host of others. Next to the peacock we found out parrots. Those parrots are large in size. Here are 3 to 4 parrots into the cage. When we were feeding those parrots, all of a sudden we saw a couple of parrots came from the forest and sit in our hand. We also feed them. It was a memorable incident, and we felt so lucky to be the witness of such incident. When we asked the authority about those parrots, they informed us that they let the parrot out of their cage few days back, but as they are habituated to get the foods from here, so every day they used to come here and take foods from the visitors. The red ringneck in green feather looks so vibrant. We observe another incident that the free parrots was taking food from our hands and giving it to birds who are in cage. This gives us a lesson to help each other for the food. The moment was so pleasant, and those parrots make my day. There were also a number of cocktail birds of different colors at the last cage. After visiting the birds' colony, we head towards water reserves. You will find a lot of small fishes over there. Friends, please stay tuned for the next video of Karnala Fort visit.